Introducing OmniStar L80, the brightest LCD projector with booming sound. Even in bright environment, its 1500 ANSI lumens brightness and native 1080p ensures an unbeatable viewing experience. Wait, there's more! With this massive 200-inch screen, you'll feel like you're part of the action. Party time? Seamlessly connect your devices and groove to immersive music. The L80 rocks with powerful 2x 15-watt speakers and a 2-liter chamber. Lastly, clear and booming sound even outdoors. Set inspirations? Cast your idea on the artboard and quickly bring it to life. No more hassle with setup. The autofocus and Keystone correction make it a breeze. So, why wait? Grab your OmniStar L80 projector now and take your movie nights, rocking parties, and gaming sessions to the next level. Don't miss out on the ultimate entertainment upgrade.